In this video, we are going to see how we can connect the Namecheap domain to Google Sites. So it's very quick and simple, and let me show you how we can do that. First of all, just make sure that you have opened that site that you want to connect to a custom domain on Namecheap. And once you have finalized everything on your website, you just want to click on this gear icon on the top right. And here we can just head over to custom domains, and you can see that you can use your own domain like www.yourcompany.com, and you can connect easily with this site. So click on connect domain, and then you have the space after www. So just head over to Namecheap and click on your username and click on the dashboard. Now, if you have only one domain, that will appear right in front of the dashboard, and you want to choose from any one of them, you can just head over to the domain list, and here you will see the list of domains. So in my case, we have only one domain, that is this one. Let's paste it after www. So what we see after that is this error message. This domain is not verified. Please verify your ownership. So that's very simple to do. Just click on verify ownership. And here you want to choose domain. The domain is already selected, mentioned here. Click on continue, and it's checking for the verification. So what we want to do here is just copy this txt record below. Let's click on copy and just head over to the domain list. Click on manage, and here we click on advanced DNS. So if you already have some records here, you just make sure that you delete all of these records. No worries, this will not ruin anything. And just click on add a new record, and we will select it as txt record. Now in the host, we will just write add the rate, and in the value, we will just copy and paste that long URL that we have copied from the existing link right here. Let's click on tick, and just remember the records will update in a bit of time. So if you verify it for the first time, it might show the verification field. Let's try this, but in the couple of minutes, it might verify it successfully. Like I said, ownership verification failed. Click OK. No problem. Just wait for the moment. And like I said, after a couple of tries and waiting for almost a minute, you can get this message of ownership verified. Now click done and click on continue. Now click done, and you want to go back to this specific section where it earlier said this message, or what we can do is just click on connect domain and just paste the domain name now. Copy it from here, paste it, and click next. And we have this specific parameters that we need to follow in order to connect this to a third-party domain register. First of all, under the CNAME value as alias, enter www. In the CNAME destination, enter this thing. So first of all, let's copy this, go to the Namecheap again, and let's go again to that specific section in the domain list. We click on the domain and click on manage, then go to advanced DNS. And this time we will add a new record again, and we will use a CNAME record. Just remember that. And like it said here, that in the alias, we need to enter www. So in the host, we will enter www. And in the target value, we will just press or paste this thing. Click save changes, and just head over back to this connect to third-party domain register. Click on done, and it is going to assign the domain, and you can see it is simply connected without any problem. Now, just remember that it might take you 24 to 48 hours in order to apply. So it might not be assigned the first time, like you see this error message, but after 24 to 48 hours, it will be assigned to your Google Sites. So just be patient. If you have followed the complete steps like I have mentioned in this video, you should have no problem in order to connect to the Google Sites with this custom domain. So I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you want to learn more amazing stuff on our channel, you can join the playlist link in the description, and I will see you in the next one.